guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kenzie Kens, back with a new upload, and I have another special guest. Tell the people who you are.
My name is Edson. That's it.
That's it, just Edson. Tell the people what you normally do. What's your normal regimen?
Deep condition masks, like once, at least twice a week. Daily leave-in. I've been using Shea Moisture products so far. About a year of hair growth journey.
Look at this length.
Yeah.
Inches.
It's shrunken a little now, but we here with it though.
Damn, it's long.
We out here.
That is pretty long. Come on, thumbnail.
Nose
Hold it there
length,
for a
let's
minute. Nose length. There's no such thing as nose length. Oh, what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna do a twist out, baby.
We're gonna do a twist out. Cause that's all we do around here.
That's all we do.
That's all we do. And we're gonna use the same product, my go-to Carol's Daughter Coco Creme, the Coil Moisture Enhancing Butter. This works for like pretty much everybody's hair type, so we're gonna see how it works for Edson today. And if you're interested, stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, so to start, Edson had come to me with his hair already washed, and I'm just going in and adding some moisture with the Mielle Organics White Peony Leave-In Conditioner. Then I'm creating my twist using that Carol's Daughter product, and as you can see, I'm taking small to mid-size sections. Like many people, Edson has multiple textures across his head. In the back, his curls are a little tighter, whereas in the front, as you can see in this next clip, it's much looser. So I'm just using my rat tail comb to separate and comb through, get everything nice and smooth. Then I'm creating my twists and coiling the ends to lock everything in and keep that definition. Are you twerking? I'm gonna leave that in the video. Okay. Ew. This pose. Come on, move the bangs aside so you can see. You can't even see me all them inches. It's so annoying.
Stay tuned for when I come back in a couple days. She takes this out and we see how popping these curls are.
Come on now. Take down loading, people. Stay tuned. Ew. Alright, hey guys, so we're back. It's been 3 days? 4 days?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 4 days.
4 days since we put the twist in. What have you been doing to like keep them up throughout the week?
I see with a bonnet, silk bonnet, you feel me, we out here.
But he does sleep in the bonnet. He's not lying.
The maintenance has been pretty low. Just yesterday, I put in very little gel just to keep the frizz down. Applied some coconut oil to my hands, to my fingertips, and just pulled, keep them nice and moisturized.
They're
and
really
sexy.
shiny too. I'll insert like a close-up. But yeah, they still look pretty good, especially after 4 days, and like he was like active, he took dance class, right? So yeah, so it works as a protective style, and then obviously when you untwist it, it's going to be another style, twist out. So I feel like this is like a really good regimen for anybody, especially with the winter coming up and the cold weather. it's a good way to get your most bang for your buck, right? Like stretch your styles. So I'm gonna insert a quick clip to show you guys a close-up, see how the twists have maintained over the last 4 days, and then we'll jump into taking them down. You're so... Alright guys, so that completes our twist out tutorial with EDSON. What are your thoughts?
I like it. It's the second time I got a twist out, and I'm digging the results, especially the versatility between hairstyles generally. So yeah.
I'm wearing them both, yeah. So as you guys know, I use the Carol's Daughter Coco Creme Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. This is the same cream I use. It's the one I used in my last video with Reese, and I used it today on EDSON. So it's a really versatile product. It works on all different hair types that I've experienced so far. And then I added this finishing spray, the Diva Curl High Shine, because it just gives a really high shine for that finished look. So that's about it. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give 2 big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below, and don't forget to check out my previous upload and subscribe for my next video. Until next time, bye. Quick question. You want me to do these twists like in the front of your head, going back, or like coming front?
Shaking dreads.
Coming front? You're so annoying. Yeah. Okay.